take a closer look at our Focus on Pediatric Nursing Skills Sim Kit here. It's one of 5 kits we created to help secondary, post-secondary, and nursing training course instructors save time creating standardized patient scenarios. Using the step-by-step instructions that come with this kit, you can create scenarios that let your students experience multiple points of view, that of the patient and that of the healthcare professional. Specifically, you can create scenarios focused on caring for a baby with Neonatal Abstinence Syndrome. That scenario is going to feature our Real Care drug-affected baby, which emits the cries and demonstrates the withdrawal tremors of a real infant born addicted to drugs. You'll also create a scenario focused on caring for a premature infant. Your students will utilize our preemie baby, which is about the size and shape of an infant born at 30 weeks gestation. Your students will also practice caring for an infant with skin conditions using the realistic models that accompany this kit. Specifically, you'll get a cradle cap model, a diaper rash model, and wound bond, so you can make that scenario even more realistic. You'll also get a diaper, a bottle, and of course, you'll get your scenario guide, which includes your handouts, step-by-step facilitation instructions, environmental prop list, and everything else you need to facilitate these scenarios. That was our Focus on Pediatric Care Nursing Skills Sim Kit. Visit our website to learn more about all 5 kits we offer for nursing and CNA skills training.